Hello everyone, in today's video, we are going to show you how to create an awesome disappearing text effect using Morph Transition in PowerPoint, adding a beautiful cherry blossom theme. This is a simple yet elegant effect that will set your presentation apart. So, without wasting much time, let's start the video. First, let's create a beautiful cherry blossom themed background. Right click on the slide, select Format Background and select Picture or Texture Fill and can upload cherry blossom image from here. To make sure your text stands out, adjust the transparency slightly. Now, click on Insert, select Text Box, type your desired message such as Welcome to Spring. Make it a bold, increase size like this. Align middle. To enhance your cherry blossom theme, let's add some falling petals and flowers. Go to Insert, select Pictures to add PNG image of cherry blossom petals and flowers. For a cherry blossom theme, I recommend using pink for the text. Make multiple duplicates of each flowers and petals and place it like this on the slide. Next, we will create a disappearing text effect. First, duplicate the slide. Select the petals, slide the petals down to slide. When you apply Morph Transition, the petals will animate as if falling down the screen. This is a necessary for the Morph Transition effect to work. We will make the text invisible. Select the text box and change its transparency to 100% and take it down a bit. Go to the Transition tab and select Morph from the transition. The Morph Transition will automatically create a smooth animation between two slides. You should make a duration of Morph Transition 8 to 10 seconds. And now click on Slideshow. And that's it. Now you know how to create an amazing disappearing text effect using Morph Transition in PowerPoint with a beautiful cherry blossom theme. This effect will give your presentation a unique and elegant touch. Hope this video is helpful to you. If yes, please share this video with your friends and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.